This episode of Head First Fishing is brought to you by Pike Consulting Group. Many employers don't understand OSHA regulations, maintaining compliance, and worker safety. Whether you're in the construction field, general industry, or manufacturing, or have fleet safety needs, Pike Group has a team of dedicated safety professionals to help you understand and resolve your issues. Remember, at Pike Group, we are your partner in understanding OSHA. If Pike Group can assist you in any way, please don't hesitate to contact us at 678-208-5548 or through our website, pikegroup.net.
Hey, what's happening, my fishing friends? Captain Joe here for Head First Fishing. Glad you could join me on this adventure. They say good things come in threes. Well, today we're looking for Tripletail off of Anna Maria, Florida. Then after that, we'll probably come back inside Tampa Bay. I've got some places that have been holding a lot of snook and redfish. We might go pay them a visit. We're gonna run out to the Skyway Pier and see if we can load up on live whitebait, and then we're gonna head on out the pass. I got a bunch of shrimp, so maybe we even do a little bottom fishing as well. We got a lot of options today, so let's go see what we can make happen. Bait was definitely a success. We got plenty of bait for the rest of the day. We're not gonna have to load up again. So it was pretty easy too. Only threw a few times. Didn't have to chum too much. Gotta love that. So now we're gonna run down to Longboat Key and then turn north and hit up some of these crab pots and see if there's any tripletail on them. So cross your fingers. Hopefully they're out today. The sun's shining. It's been really foggy lately. Hopefully those tripletail are out showing themselves. Run down Longboat Key and we're running these crab pots out here, these stone crab pots, looking for tripletail, and came by this one right here and I saw something floating right up next to the buoy. So we're gonna ease over here on the trolling motor and see if it's a tripletail. Something moving around right by that crab pot over there, so I'm gonna slide back. I'm gonna try to cast with the wind as much as I can. You don't want it. It's time to find a new fish. We've been running these traps for quite some time and we found our second tripletail. We're just running right along, looking on our left shoulder. That's the best to see them going the way that we're going with the sun. So we're just gonna make our way over to this buoy right here. There's a tripletail hanging out on it. Hey, maybe we'll get lucky and there's a second one, but there's definitely one. He's on it. There he is. There, I got him. Got him. Beautiful tripletail. That might be a keeper. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's awesome. That's a keeper tripletail, I think. That is amazing. Well, he jumped out of the water and everything. He's bigger than I thought. Yeah, he's a little better than I thought. This is a really good tripletail. He's better than I thought. Away from that trap line. Putting the float on really made a difference. Solid hookup, he jumped out of the water. Look at this guy right here. This one's a keeper. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see if he's coming home with us. Get the old bass whip in the boat. How about that? Look at that, my friends. He's not huge, but that's a solid triple tail. I thought he was actually smaller than that. Nothing wrong with that. Look at that. Right here off of Longboat Key, Florida. That is a nice triple tail. He's got a lot of meat on him. Let's go measure him. 18.5 inches. That's a legal fish. This one's going home, and I am thrilled. These are delicious. So we've seen 3 or 4 triple tail, and the only one that really mattered, we got him in the boat. So get a little bored with this type of fishing. I'm gonna run back inside Tampa Bay and see if we can get on some snook and redfish. Let's go. We're back inside Tampa Bay. I'm looking across this shoreline. I'm looking out here 150, 200 yards in front of me, looking for activity, looking for big mullet pods, mullet schools, looking for big pushes on the flat, just looking for signs of life, and hopefully I can find some redfish out here. Yeah, snook. Nice snook. Not a redfish, but it's a nice snook. Ooh, fish just blew up right next to the boat right here. Nice snook. Good one. First spot after triple tail fishing, and already producing some snook here. Not really what I was looking for. I was looking for reds, but we had a couple fish pop on each side of the boat, and looks like there's some activity here for sure. That's a nice snook. Look at that. It's about a 24, 25 incher maybe. I'll measure him. 23 3/4 inch snook. That's a beautiful one. He's very healthy and great condition. So the fishing's been good today. Did some triple tail fishing. Now we're snook and red fishing. And I'm waiting for the tide to turn and start coming back in really good, and I think that's going to turn the bite on. There's an area I want to get back into. I think it's probably pulled a bunch of mullet out of there, and I think there's going to be some big fish mixed in with them. We're in our last stop for the day. The tide's coming in. We got good water movement. There's a ton of mullet activity, which is what I want to see. I think these lower tides have pulled a lot of these mullet back and congregated them, and now they're all playing together, and the tide's coming in, and then they're going to end up where they'll be later at the top of the tide. But for now, they're right here in front of us, and they're having a good old time. But maybe Mr. Redfish and Snook are here. Let's see. Let's pull out the chum bat and make something happen. Yep. That was a big fish right there. I just got eaten. Here we go. Oh, son of a gun. That was a big fish right there. Nice fish. On the trolling motor. That's a nice fish. He put on a great fight. He's about like that other one on the other side there. Another beautiful, healthy snook. That snook's in great shape. Circle hook right in the corner of the mouth. Doesn't get any better than that. Let's let him go. When you're out flats fishing, if you come upon a big school of mullet that is just going crazy and they're jumping out of the water, swirling, chasing each other, whatever, that is an area that you want. Oop, I just got hit right there. That's an area that you want to try. Look at that. Now we're talking. Ooh. That's tough. That was a good one. But like I was saying, you know, if you come upon these big mullet schools, that's something you want to try. You want to fish that. Fish on. Just, I don't know if the bird's got it or what. Yep, oh, fish on. Nice snook. There we go. I have one over here too. Right, corner of the mouth. Come up here, buddy. That's a beauty. Pretty common size for snook in here. Matter of fact, throughout the bay. It's another really nice one. Nice. Oh yeah, turbo. What do I got? We got a bird. Fish. Is it a red? Might be a red. I think we got a redfish. Yeah, baby. We have Mr. Red in town. Nice. That's a nice slot redfish. My hand. There we go. There is a nice redfish. Got a little bit of a wound that's well healed over though. Well, it's been a great day of fishing. And on this note, I'm gonna go ahead, pack it up, and head on back to the house. Hey, thanks for coming to Head First Fishing. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button to keep up with all the videos. Check out our sponsors, St. Pete Fishing Outfitters, Tampa Fishing Outfitters, and Tarpon Fishing Outfitters, plus the Pike Consulting Group.